Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Miami at Exchange, an ETF experience where we're meeting with the top thought leaders and innovators in the ETF space. Joining me for this segment, we have Jill DelSignore. She's the head of advisor sales at Flex Networks. We're going to discuss revolutionizing engagement between asset managers and advisors. Jillian, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you, Jill. Glad to be here.
Tell us about Flex Networks and solutions that you provide for advisors.
Absolutely. Flex Networks is a community platform. It brings together advisors, asset managers, and wealth management home offices. Brings them together to engage directly with one another, how they want, when they want, and with whom they want. Really creating an on-demand experience through 3 different exchanges. We have our investments exchange, which has about 50 asset managers, of which you can go and read all about their products and profiles about these asset managers. We have our intelligence exchange, which is thought leadership, written, multimedia, audio content, one place to come and get a whole host of intelligence. And then we have our solutions. So if you're an advisor, you might be coming to get lead generation or portfolio construction tools. So it's a one-stop shop, one-stop platform to bring all of these different parties together to engage together.
Why are advisors turning to Flex Networks?
For those reasons, right? It's a way for them to engage on demand. Think about our lives daily, right? I engage with everything on demand, right? And that's the way that I feel like distribution, as many years as I've been in this industry, COVID didn't cause the shift. COVID has accelerated the shift to a much more virtual on-demand engagement. Traditional distribution has been an interruption model, right? This perpetual interruption. What we've created is a community platform for these different parties who want to engage together to create a frictionless experience. So an advisor can come and they can self-serve a set of asset managers across all sorts of vehicles, ETFs like we're here today, mutual funds, separate accounts, alternatives, hedge funds, interval funds, self-serve the investments, and they can find all sorts of thought leadership from those exact managers. They don't have to go to 50 different websites. They can go to one location and self-serve written, the multimedia video content, and then engage directly with the manager from that thought leadership, and then of course solutions to help build their business.
Tell us about Flex Intelligence.
Flex Intelligence is that multimedia exchange. So Flex Intelligence, we have a Flex Media vertical within the organization that's creating video content for our managers. You know, certainly people are still reading, right, and white papers serve a purpose, and we certainly have a lot of written content, but more and more advisors are looking to view and hear directly from the manager. It allows us to scale the portfolio manager, quite frankly. They can share their story, their brand with advisors by just doing one video. And so we'll publish that content, and then of course audio content. We have our own podcast, and we also publish podcasts from other partners as well as ones that our clients appear on. So Flex Intelligence is really become a one-stop shop for thought leadership for advisors.
You know, it's so interesting. We talk about on-demand immersive experiences as we consume news, as we consume investment platforms, and it allows advisors to do their job and investment manage.
Absolutely.
But it still goes back to forging strategic relationships,
Yes.
and that is a key driver for Flex.
It is. I mean, if you think about even just sort of the strategic relationships, of course, with the asset managers that are on our platform, but within the solutions, advisors are coming and they're looking largely for partners who can help them build their business, help them scale their business. And so we have a whole set of solutions that we've created, from everything from lead generation to legal and finance to marketing to portfolio construction, data, and everything in between. And so one of the things that we've done is to help provide access, is the way that I would frame it, to a lot of our asset manager clients, something like MMI, the Money Management Institute. The smaller asset manager might not have the resource to become a member of MMI and experience the benefits that come with membership to MMI. So we've initiated a partnership with MMI that gives some of our emerging managers access to those resources. Another thing that we're doing as we think about sitting here at the Exchange conference is we've actually become one of the embedded partners in a new funds trust, the Consortio Funds Trust, to help new ETF managers launch ETFs. And Flex is an embedded distribution partner, so providing value to new ETF issuers or those looking to reorganize that are trying to get into the market. So really trying to leverage our strategic relationships to add value and provide scale to our members.
All right, Jillian, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.